Hello everyone, in this video we have an expression to test your reasoning. Do not answer too quickly because this type of calculation often confuses many people. Watch closely and let's solve it step by step. Now you know the correct answer. If you got it right, comment below. If you got it wrong, don't worry. This type of expression tricks many people. Leave your like and subscribe to the channel and follow the upcoming challenges. See you in the next video.